Good afternoon, everyone. Is everybody here? 17 of us today, Thursday. No, it's not Thursday. It is the 27th of June. So it's Tuesday. Oh, dear me. Anyway, we are here today trading on OptionRobot. And obviously, if you're using free signals, then feel free to use that in conjunction with this software. Yes, guys, welcome. Hope you all had a lovely weekend, and yeah, I took a very quick excursion to Spain to see family. Lovely festivals going on there at the moment, 32-degree heat, absolutely amazing. And yeah, I've got everything open, economic calendar, FX Street charts as well. Just a disclaimer, guys, just remember, if you are going to trade, do it with caution. It's your own money. I'm never going to sit here and tell you where to place the trade. You know, this is just how I trade. This is my own way of trading. Whatever you do with your money is entirely up to you. But yes, I hope you all had a lovely chat while I was away. Just had to go and sort some things out very quickly. But I'm back now. We're here and ready to begin. If you're watching this on YouTube, guys, just remember, if you want to be part of this trading webinars, okay, weekly, daily, we do use a variety of software, so don't worry which one you want to use. Contact me and Simon before you register and deposit with any software, so we can get you set up, okay, correctly and efficiently, and get you part of the free trading webinars that we are going to be doing right now. So if you're watching this on YouTube, please leave a like on this video. Those of you who are in the webinar, please don't forget to comment, like, and yeah, just share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section on my YouTube channel. Let's try and build a really nice and big audience. So can everybody hear me? Everybody see the video? The screen, should I say? I think everyone should see everything. Everything's looking good to me. Can you hear me? 10 out of 10. Let me know in the comments on the bottom left hand side. Good, everyone can see, everyone can hear everything. Fantastic. Excellent. So yeah, guys, let's begin. I made sure everyone got the invites this time, as I know there was a bit of a problem with sending out the invites last time. Last webinar was absolutely fantastic. Thank you those of you who joined. But obviously if there was a problem with sending out the invites, so I'm sorry there, guys. Okay, so let us begin. We have here Euro USD is on my FX Street chart, and that's what we're going to have a look at first. But just before we do that, let's do what we always do. Let's go through the economic calendar, see what we can analyze, see if there's anything decent to actually begin trading on. And if there isn't, then unfortunately we'll just have to do some questions and answers until we can actually identify any sort of trends that we can actually trade on. Now, these all happened at 14. This is on GMT +2, I believe. No, it's on +1. Okay, fantastic. So that literally just happened 20 minutes ago, and in 40 minutes time there's another low volatility spike occurring. So it doesn't really look like there's been that much going on today. Let's double check the Euro USD for a second. I'm on intraday 1. Euro USD, nice and steady upwards trend. No, let me just do this. There we go. That's a lot better. Few red signals. It's quite risky. Okay, so let's have a look here. Was it anything to do with the USD? Yes, it was, obviously, from around 2 o'clock onwards. All this I can't speak English now. I'm just going to give up on trying to say that word, because that all happened a few minutes ago, well, 20 minutes ago to be precise. So it looks like we missed that one, unfortunately. There was some GBP movements happening earlier today, Euro, Italian, but obviously that's Euro also. Okay, so that's going to be the same tomorrow as well, but a bunch of low volatility movements until all of these speeches. That's interesting. I don't know what's happening tomorrow. The Bank of England. Okay, so governor speeches tomorrow by the looks of it. Yeah, all the bank governors are going to be obviously having a meeting tomorrow. So if you guys want to trade on that, that'd be at 2:30 UK time. That would be a pretty decent actual trading event, I'm not going to lie. Euro USD standard upwards trend, that is what we are going to do at the moment. As you can see, it is on a call. Why is it on a call? Because I'm doing trend and MACD. So all it's doing is identifying the trend. And also, guys, those of you who are also wondering if I'm going to be reviewing Expert Signal, yes, I am. I'm just waiting for verification now. And I know it does take a while. I know Keith had to wait a couple of days just to get it all sorted. So that's what I'm doing as well. So hopefully by tomorrow, maybe the following day, I'll have a time to do a proper in-depth review about Expert Signal. I'll have a look about what I can find. We'll see what the website's like. We'll see what the signals are like. We'll see how it handles the actual trading of calling and putting alongside FX Street, what we're using right now. Okay, and see if we can try and make some money. There's a lot of people that's been doing quite well, and to be honest, I want in on that. But I will obviously wait for me to bring up my review, and then obviously those of you who are watching on YouTube, please also note that if you want to be part of the webinars while you're using that particular software, okay, because what we'll be doing is we'll be going through the signals that it gives us alongside charts like this, and then we're going to identify the success rates of those signals together, okay, on YouTube. All right, guys, I hope that all sounds good for you lot. So just wait for me to do my review, please. It will be a big help for me. So yeah, let's get to it. Now I'm looking here. USD is on a decline at the moment, so we're going to wait for that signal to change. But while we wait for that to change, let us take a look at the next one down. USD JPY, so that's the US dollar and the Japanese yen. There it is. Okay, here we go. USD JPY, neutral trend. Nothing really to go for. There's nothing long-term on the USD JPY. I think we can safely rule that out. If you were going to do any long-term trading on USD JPY, I'd personally continue going on an upwards trend, okay, which you can easily do. Maybe that's what I'll do now, actually, while I'm here. I'm going to do a 5-minute upwards trend. Oh, I can't because it's on a put, so I want to go with a call. So I'm going to go to my settings. I'm going to turn off trend. I'm going to put CCI and RSI on instead. And then that will hopefully switch it to a call, which it does, considering what's calculating. So that's a 5-minute trade I'm going to do now. I'm going to take these settings off. I don't like changing the settings, guys, to be honest, as much as I do. Because, well, like that anyway. Because I personally like to keep it nice and simple for myself and stick with the same sort of trading strategy. That's why I continue doing 60 seconds. Jamie's just put best OptionRobot settings when using 5-minute trades. Well, this is perfect for you then, Luis. Try and find an upwards trend, because then if it's going in that general direction, you can do much longer trades, because even if it does drop or increase a little bit, depending if you're doing a call or put, if it does a trend reversal, that's something that you're going to want to look out for if you're going to do long-term trades. For example, like this. We can see this is an upwards trend. At the moment it's going down, but I think, to be honest, we know that's going to hit a trend reversal, probably not within 5 minutes, considering what happened around this particular time zone here between 20 past 1 and 50 minutes past 1. There wasn't enough time for it to go into reversal. So obviously right now this could have a similar effect over here at 14:23. So I would probably do a 60 seconds put about now, and not a long-term one, even though the GBP/USD is on a call signal at the moment. So while I wait for that to switch to a put, or see if that hits trend reversal, I'm going to just read out a couple of questions that people are asking. So I say, Jamie puts, we want to see the auto trade on Expert Signal. Jamie, you're not going to see that from me, unfortunately. I'm sorry. I don't like auto trading features, and I personally think that people have to stop looking out for an auto trading feature on softwares nowadays. It's not going to work. It really isn't. I mean, if it worked in the past, it's because I've sat there and I've specifically turned it on at the right moment. You need a bit of luck, but obviously, if it's going in an upwards trend, and you say you put it on a 2 minutes expiry, and then you put the auto trader on, and then you put maximum simultaneously trades, okay, on 3, for example, then yes, maybe you might get 2, or even you put it on 4 trades at a time, then maybe it might get 3 in the money, and then yeah, that's pretty good. I've even done that before, actually, using OptionRobot. I did a video on YouTube showing that, so you guys can go check that out on my YouTube channel. Okay, but to be honest, as a whole, I like manual trading, and I think it's a great way for you guys to learn as well. Brian says, what are your settings now for OptionRobot? Right now, my settings are trend, MACD, all currency pairs enabled, because I want to have a nice big variety. 60 seconds, classic, martingale and Fibonacci. Now that's something I want to discuss as well with martingale auto trader. You could do that. Quite risky. I personally wouldn't recommend it. But just a couple of things I want to go. Is that still on a put trade? That's still on a put. I wouldn't mind seeing that as a call, to be honest, because I would have much preferred that. So while we wait for that to switch into a call and keep an eye on this GBP USD, I just want to go through a quick couple of things. If you're seeing online that people are saying that OptionRobot is a scam, there's just a few things you need to ask yourself. The first big one is, why are they calling it a scam? Why is it a scam? Is it because they couldn't get the money out? Because then it's not a scam, it's the broker. Or it's their fault for not complying with the broker's terms and conditions. 2, okay, did you make an error and trade at the wrong time of day, okay, on high volatility events when you weren't looking at the chart? 3, were your trade amounts way too big, okay, and then you didn't have any amount left to recuperate? 4, was it not even the software's fault and it decided to hit multiple trend reversals and kick you out the money? And then 5, okay, did you not bother to check the signals at all and just thought it was some magic money making tool? They're the things that you've got to ask yourself. And I guarantee you right now that 99.9% of them, okay, came from one of those 5 things. And I guarantee you that I reckon 90% of the time it's because no one decides to check the signal, and what they do instead, okay, is just look at me trade, and they click, and they go click, 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 without even double checking the signal. I know everyone wants a magical software to do all of it for them. OptionRobot's good because it does what it's told to do. If you're wanting it to identify a trend, it will identify a trend, and all you've got to do is spend just a couple of minutes of your time double checking the signals. That's not a lot to sacrifice in terms of time, okay? In terms of the time that it takes to identify a signal, okay? Ahmed was in the money on that put call. I know, Ahmed, I really should have done it, but I was so busy bloody chatting away. But I'm going to follow you now because I think it's going to continue going down. It's been going down for bloody ages now, to be perfectly honest. So I think it's going to continue going down. So I'm going to leave it as a put. What I wanted to do now is go to USD CHF. There's no signal there, even though there should be. Look at that. Big downwards trend right there. Massive. So there's no signal there. So I'm just going to skip one at the moment. And I'm going to knock it down to AUD USD. I don't like trading at this currency pair at this time because obviously the AUD USD, or the AUD market's closed, the Aussie market's closed. This actually says put. So I'm going to avoid that. Nothing wrong with not trading on a signal. If you can see the downwards trend is going down at that particular moment, okay, and the signal says put instead of maybe a call, don't just snap your fingers and blame the software. And that one was in the money. Fantastic. Now I'm on USD CAD. It's showing a put. It is going down. The overall trend's going down. Now, what we have to identify is what has happened in the past. Can it reverse? Which it can. Yes, there it is. It did it right there at 6:05 in the morning. Now, that's quite a while ago. So that's currently still going down now as we speak. So let's try and identify a trend. That's all we have to do. Identify trends. OptionRobot is still showing a put for USD CAD. There's a red candle that's just happened, so I'm going to whack that on there very quickly. Change this note. NZD USD is not supported, so Euro GBP is showing a call. It is going up, so OptionRobot's doing pretty good at the moment. It's going up, and the latter shows that it's going up quite a lot, as you can see. It's spiking. Euro USD. Euro USD and Euro GBP seems to be hitting the exact same upwards trend. I'm going to do a call on Euro USD right now. USD JPY should be going down. No, that's neutral. Holy shit. No, that's gone down. I'm going to avoid USD JPY today anyway, because I've actually lost a bit of money on the USD JPY. I'll tell you about that in a minute, guys, when these trades come in. But I've made the money back now, so don't worry. I had a pretty bad running on the USD JPY yesterday. I just started to do a bit of trading. Simon said that the market was pretty good. He won about 200 quid, and I lost about 200 quid. There we go. Needless to say, I was pretty pissed off. I didn't actually give a shout to you. We were both laughing about it because he was like, yes, I managed to beat you on a trade. And I was like, oh, for fuck's sake, come on. It's quite funny, actually. Tell him about that if you see him on Skype. There we go. That's the second. Come on. Come on. There's still no trade on that one. There we go. That's free for free. Sick. Okay, brilliant. That's fantastic. Yes. Oh, there we go. Do you always change currency pairs according to the session you're in? No. I like to trade on any currency pair that's I can't speak. I trade on any currency pair that seems fit to trade on. Like for now, I just said I'm not trading on Euro USD. In all fairness, I'm actually going to take it off. And I'm also going to take off USD CHF as well. I just don't want to trade those USD currency pairs. Not CHF and not JPY. No, not after that. Bloody hell, what's happened to my screen? Just no, not after that. I really don't want to. Ahmed again is in the money. He's done a bit of trading. On the USD, GBP USD. David was out by 1 pip. Oh, shit. Oh. Did you trade on the USD JPY, dude? USD JPY. I don't think I did a trade. I did earlier. I'm not going to anymore. So, careful, David. But turn them off, David. Seriously, turn them off. Turn them off. Like, don't. Trust me on that one. I wouldn't go trading on the... And to be honest, I wouldn't let anyone trade that. If you're gonna turn them on again, do it here. Guys. Like, past midnight. If anyone's going to stay up for this, by the way, this will be happening at 10 to 1 in the morning. In all fairness, because I'm going over to visit my girlfriend just later on. It was a barbecue, going to meet some of the family and stuff. But what I want to do is I'm going to be taking my laptop anyway, because I do want to catch that. I might do a video on it if I can, but I'm not sure. So if I do a video on it, don't get me wrong, I'll put it on YouTube. So don't panic. But I will say one thing. Ahmed is absolutely smashing it. He's just won another trade on Euro USD. Fair play, dude. David says, my bad, I read it wrong. What did you put there? I can't read the chat. My bad, I read it wrong, but I made the money back on Euro USD. Well done. Jamie's free in the money today. Well done, Jamie. And I want, by the way, guys, this video will be going on YouTube. So if you guys can actually comment your wins on the YouTube channel, which none of you are doing, please, that's all I ask. Okay? This video will be uploaded in about an hour after the webinar ends because I've got to render it. Okay? So I've got to actually, render the video into an MP4 and then I can upload it to YouTube. So it'll only take maybe 45 minutes to an hour. Willie, congratulations. Euro USD, first time trade. In all fairness, this is really good. 2:30. Fair play. Right, let's try and see if we can do one more before the webinar ends. Actually, I'll tell you what I'll do, guys. I'll try and do 2, just in case anyone couldn't get a couple. This is frozen, so I'm just going to refresh this. Oh, dear me. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Into day 1, let's see what the AUD USD is doing. I'm really intrigued. Okay, that's hit trend reversal. Hang on, a bit of dust just flown in front of me. What the hell was that? Was that dust? That's coming off my fan. I need to clean that. Oh, okay. Anyway, back to it. What's dust coming off that thing? Oh, okay, it looks like it's all stopped now. I don't know about that. A bit weird. Anyway, back to the webinar. So that is moving, isn't it? Okay, so it's not frozen. AUD USD says cool. That I can understand because obviously you can easily see that that was a very small upwards trend. So I'm actually going to take a bit of a risk here. I'm going to drop down the trade amount to just 50, just in case. AUD USD cool. Take it back onto GBP USD. Upwards trend. Hit a reversal. It says cool. Should I go with another reversal, 2 in a row? No. Because this one's out the money at the moment, so I don't feel happy trading on reversals. Probably not a good idea to do that today. Maybe tomorrow. But USD CAD right now on a downwards trend, that's going up. Reversal to go with put. Okay, I'll do this reversal because that seems quite clear. That's going to head back down, judging by the fact that the overall trend is in itself going down inexplicably. Euro GBP doesn't increase by a lot, really, does it? I mean, don't get me wrong, guys. I mean, that's an upwards trend right there. But once you start zooming in, it really doesn't actually, you know, show a lot. It's more neutral than anything, even though it's reached its highest point of the day, like for the past couple of days. Will it keep rising? In all fairness, it should. By the way, guys, that 5-minute trade actually come in the money. I completely forgot. I'm playing it safe at the moment. Okay, that trade was in the money. Good. The USD CAD, that was only just in the money as well. Fucking hell. Jesus. Fantastic. That was a bit risky, that. I didn't really like to do that. What was that? The Euro AUD USD one. It's a bit silly. Really. Euro GBP seems to have hit a stand. It's not even moving. No refresh just in case it's frozen. Give me a sec, guys. Just let me refresh. That's going up. GBP USD is on a cool. Because that's going up in so much trend, that's still going up. So I'm going to go with a call on GBP USD. USD CAD is not showing a signal at the moment, so I wanna try and do a Euro GBP trade, guys, but increase that back up to. I'm gonna do it up to no. Just gonna stick to 100 euros, I think, because no, actually, let me do. Hang on a minute. Let me wait for this trade to come in, then I'll explain what I'm going to do. Because what I want to do, guys. Oh, dear me. Oh, well done, Jamie, by the way. I didn't realise you did that one too. I'm going to do a 1,000 euro trade because I want you all to see me actually put my money where my mouth is. All you seem to comment, all you guys want me to start doing higher trade amounts. And there's 20 of us now watching this webinar. Thank you, by the way, guys. In the money, fantastic. Oh, fucking hell. Okay, I'm no more trend reversal because that's getting way too close for comfort, to be perfectly honest. So what I want to do, this is Euro GBP is not giving me a signal at the moment, even though I'd really like it to give me a call because I want to do reversal, but I just said I wasn't going to do any more reversal, so I have to stop doing that. Otherwise I'm going to lose this, like, a lot of money. USD CAD is going down. Okay, guys, it's on. It's on. It's on. Is there a Euro JPY? There is. Oh, that's the missing currency pair. I haven't done any of that today. It's an upwards trend. Fuck me, guys. Look at that. Jesus Christ. Anyway. Are you ready, guys? Here we go. It's on. I know it's just pure silence right now. No one's talking. Cheers, Ahmed. Fuck me, that live is way too close to the open. Come on, drop. Oh god, it's going up. No, 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 not now. Please, 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 please. Hold, hold, hold. Yes! Come on! Oh my god! 1.31934 and that opened at 3.9. Oh my god. Huh. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus Christ. Let me take that down a notch now. Hope everyone saw that. Cheers, guys. Oh, dear me. Oh, I'm tired. So, guys, please leave a like on this video on YouTube and please leave your ITM results in the comment section. Guys, please, that's all I ask. The webinars are free, okay? I want to build a big community and you guys can help me do that. We can all do it together. Just let me know your ITMs in the comment section. Not here, not on this webinar comment section, but on the YouTube comment, on the comment section when the video goes up in about 30 minutes, okay? But guys, that's going to be it from me, I think, for today, before I have a Connery. Anyway, guys, listen, thank you very much for attending. If you guys want to be part of the webinars at home, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and message me and Simon on Skype. My Skype is Binary Options Product Review. Simon's is exactly the same, but with Simon at the beginning as well. Guys, thank you lot for attending. Ahmed, Brian, Dave, David, Eliza, Ho-wee, Jack, Jamie, Jask, John, Leanne, Lewis, Otamendi, Robert, and Willie Jacobs. Thank you so much, guys. You're welcome, guys. Listen, guys, thank you very much for attending. Thank you. Love you guys. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.